Salamina Island, Greece, just a step from Athens. Imagine an island where ancient history meets serene beaches, where you can escape the crowds of Athens without venturing far. Welcome to Salamina, a lesser-known Greek island that offers a perfect blend of cultural significance, natural beauty, and local charm. Located just a short ferry ride from Piraeus, Salamina is ideal for travelers seeking an authentic Greek experience without the tourist rush. Salamina, also known as Salamis, holds a special place in Greek history. It was here, in 480 BC, that the famous Battle of Salamis took place, a naval conflict that changed the course of history and saw the Greeks defeat the mighty Persian Empire. For history enthusiasts, the island's connection to this epic event makes it a fascinating destination. Visitors can explore the Euripus War Memorial and the remains of ancient shipyards that bear witness to this decisive moment in history. Yet Salamina is more than just its past. The island's natural beauty is another reason to visit. Its coastline offers a variety of beaches, from sandy stretches perfect for sunbathing to secluded coves ideal for a quiet escape. Piraeus Beach, located in the northern part of the island, is one of the most popular spots, known for its clear waters and family-friendly atmosphere. For those looking for a more peaceful retreat, the hidden Colognes Beach provides a scenic and tranquil setting to relax by the sea. Salamina's picturesque villages are also worth exploring. The island's capital, Salamina town, is a charming mix of traditional architecture, lively tavernas, and quaint streets. Here, you can enjoy authentic Greek cuisine in a local taverna, savoring fresh seafood or indulging in classic dishes like souvlaki and moussaka. The village of Phaneromeini is home to one of the island's most important religious sites, the Monastery of Phaneromeini, a peaceful retreat that offers breathtaking views and spiritual significance. Despite being so close to Athens, Salamina remains relatively untouched by mass tourism, making it a perfect destination for travelers seeking tranquility and authenticity. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply in search of a peaceful getaway, Salamina offers an enriching and enjoyable experience. Is Salamina calling your name for a serene Greek island escape?